Snow, 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 snow. Go party, it's a snow day. You won't be tardy cause it's a snow day. You can sip hot chocolate cup.
Feet are already frozen by the time I got here. Doing this plunge in the ice store. Oh man, it's not a good look. Man, it's not stopping snowing in Toronto. 30 centimeters, another 15 today and another 20 tomorrow. Finally got one of those de-icers. I mean, it's okay, it's just melting a small section of the ice at one time, like, because they're only made for like 50 gallons and this is like 120 gallon. That's the biggest one I could find. The biggest one I could find was a 750 watt one. So that's gonna have to do for now. I mean, it's better than nothing. 3 minutes. Put some water in our ear so it doesn't get clogged. Put that head inside. Call it a day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh buddy. Oh stuff.